Hi, hello friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel 30CAGR. In this video, we are going to discuss another important topic called capital allocation. Capital allocation sets foundation for our growth. You need to have a plan in place when you are investing or trading in stock markets. One cannot simply deploy capital when he or she is getting profits or losses. I see that many traders deploy so much of capital if they are in either profits or losses. When they are in profits, they are more excited and want to earn more, so they keep deploying more capital. At the same time, if they are in losses, they want to recover all their loss and so they deploy more capital. Both these two are wrong. You need to have good habits when you are trading in stock market. Today we are going to see how we need to allocate capital for both our strategies ISS and PDR. Remember, this plan is for the next 5, 10, or even 15 years. This is what I do personally in my portfolio, what I've done in the past, what I'm doing and what I'm going to do in future. Even if you don't trade in one of these two strategies ISS or PDR, that is still fine. This will still help you in getting some knowledge on how to allocate capital in our portfolio with discipline. Before we jump in, I'm Raj Konakalla and 30cagr.com is my blog. You find two interesting strategies in my blog. One is ISS and the second is PDR. While ISS is for option traders who want to make consistent monthly income, PDR strategy is for working professionals who want to earn a massive 30 to 50% returns per year by just spending 1 hour every month. And one other thing is, if you want to trade in this intraday options strategy, then you also can avail free trading bot in my blog, which does everything for you. It's a fully and completely automatic trading bot. And all you have to do is just give one-time instructions and the bot does trading every day in your trading account. So if you want to know further details, please visit my blog or my YouTube channel, or please check the description. I'll put all the links to both the strategies ISS and PDR. And lastly, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe immediately and hit on bell icon, because all my future interesting strategies or stock market related concepts will be directly delivered to your inbox through notifications. Don't forget, hit on subscribe button and bell icon immediately. As I said, this is a long term plan, but we have to start it right from today. Because if your capital allocation is not in a correct way, there is a high chance that you might blow up your entire portfolio. So let's see how we have to allocate capital to both the strategies. If you have watched my videos in the past, in almost all the videos, I told you that diversification is the most important when it comes to trading or investing. So you need to diversify your fund into multiple strategies. Some people say that, sir, I don't have so much of capital. I only have 2 lakhs which I can invest in ISS. Agree. Now that we have peak margin rule in place, you have to have 2 lakh rupee to invest in ISS. If you want to trade in Nifty or if you want to trade in Bank Nifty, you need to have 2 lakh rupee. But let me tell you, it is not about capital, but it is about habit. Even if you have 2 lakh 10,000 rupees, you can invest 2 lakh in ISS and then rest 10,000 rupees in PDR, because for PDR we don't have any minimum capital, right? Divide this 10,000 into 10 stocks as per our rule, and rest 2 lakhs you can put in ISS and then continue with your option trading. But at the same time, let me also tell you that you should not frequently put whatever amount that you get in ISS in PDR. Don't keep shifting the fund. Whatever you are going to see now, all that allocation should be done only once in a year, which means, let us say you started with ISS 2 lakhs today, you don't even have this 10,000 rupees. Let it be, you start with ISS, and at the end of the year, see how much amount you have in your portfolio. Let's say you have 2.5 lakh. Now again, reinvest this 2 lakhs in ISS and get this 50,000 out to PDR. Now, let's say next month you got 10,000 more extra profit. Now, don't immediately shift the amount from ISS to PDR. Again, you need to wait for another 1 year and then reallocate funds in your portfolio. The frequency of rebalancing is very important. You cannot do it very frequently. Okay, especially when you are dealing with multiple strategies, you need to trade for entire 1 year, combine the capital, and again reassign capital to different strategies. That is very important. All right, so what are the two things that we discussed till now? One is diversification is important, you cannot skip this. And then the second is the frequency or the time period after which you have to diversify is 1 year. Trade in 1 year, even if you have, let's say, 4 lakhs, you invest 2 lakhs in ISS and then 2 lakhs in PDR, which is very good. Continue your trading and investing for 1 year. After 1 year, this 2 and 2 lakhs became, let's say, 3 lakhs in ISS and 2.5 lakh in PDR. So combine this capital again, which becomes 5.5 lakhs. And now divide this into two parts, which becomes 2.75 lakhs. Invest 2.75 in ISS and then 2.75 in PDR. Now, some people might say that, sir, I can use all 2.75 lakh in PDR, but when it comes to ISS, I can only deploy 2 lakhs. Generally, that's the amount that we need for one short straddle. What should I do with the other 75,000? That is fine. You don't need to trade every single rupee in your portfolio. It's always good to have some buffer amount. So as I said, divide this into two parts and then invest exactly 50% in PDR and 50% in ISS. And again, don't touch until next year. So this is the first way of allocating funds in our portfolio. There is another way which is capital based. Whatever we have discussed till now is time based rebalancing, right? We only do it after 1 year. We don't shift the capitals from ISS to PDR or PDR to ISS within 1 year. After 1 year, we will rebalance. But in the second way, it is not time based, but it is capital based. We start with, let's say, 2 lakhs. And once we reach from 2 lakhs to 4 lakhs, we have a different plan. From 4 lakhs to 6 lakhs, different plan. From 6 lakhs to 8 lakhs, different plan. Even if we achieve 2 lakhs to 4 lakhs within 3 months or 6 months, still we will go ahead with reallocation. Okay, we will see that other way of reassigning our funds to various strategies in part 2. Until then, if you have any questions, you can WhatsApp me on the number I showed on the screen. You can use the same number to get the trading bot as well. And at the same time, you can also reach out to me via Telegram or Twitter. And I also have other social handles. You can join any of these social handles and communicate with me as well. Thank you and see you in the next video.